Hello, dear colleagues. Our report is devoted to the problems of fundamentalization of informatics disciplines learning, and we would like to report the experience of using Maxima System to support operation research learning. The relevance of our research is due to the need to provide training of specialists uh, so as they would be able um, to be included immediately in the technological processes at the production level. But the problem is that it is rather difficult or almost impossible to predict accurately at the time of enrollment at the university the state of the art of technological achievements that could be reached at the moment of graduation. The way out of this critical situation is in the education system is the fundamentalization of education and learning. Among the priority issues, there are to form not only specific but also generalized knowledge and skills, to provide a fundamentally knowledgeable frame of personality development, to provide systematic knowledge, holistic perception of the world, and the creation of a basis for professional culture and mastery, to consider the interdisciplinary relations, to organize the research work of teachers and students, and other. The aim of research is the justification of Maxima System use in the process of operations research learning in a pedagogical university as a tool for fundamentalization of learning and providing investigative approach. Also, we also we involve in our research the analysis of the basic concepts in the course of study. While studying the state of the art, we focused our attention on the problems of using information technologies to support the learning processes in the field of informatics disciplines. Among them, there were different kinds of cloud technologies in educational process, different kinds of modern ICT tools, and there are several trends of research in this area. Still, we focused our research on the problems of fundamentalization of learning, on providing fundamental component, and on searching for the best way of using modern ICT to support the learning process. By the fundamentalization of learning, we understand the selection of the basic concepts, fundamental theoretical principles, ideas underlying the system forming knowledge and skills, and the implementation of interdisciplinary communications, providing a competency-based approach. For this purpose, we considered the fundamental concepts of operation research. We tried to clear out the basic concepts in the process of study so as to focus the students' attention on these basic statements and concepts and conceptions, and to support the learning and understanding of these concepts by means of ICT. For this purpose, we developed the model of primary tasks in the course of our research, and we separated the forming part, the permitting part, of any task in our area, and also the integrable components. For this purpose, we used the operations research discipline, which performs an integrable and complex function among other informatic disciplines, providing the fundamental basis for the competence of future computer scientists. Uh, in particular, the fundamental concepts of operations research, such as operation, system, model, system approach, task, and others, are important for so for the whole range of informatics disciplines. So we focused our attention on these concepts. We used the Maxima system to support the learning process and to support the fundamental component of learning. The benefits of using these systems were in the use of mathematical packages to support the investigative approach. In particular, in understanding of the learning domain by means of use of systems of computer mathematics, in understanding the methodology of developing the algorithm from the mathematical statements, and developing the ability to carry out the estimation of the algorithm at runtime and memory requirements. For the purpose of research, we developed the method of the learning method of using Maxima system to support the operation research study. The main or maybe important component of this method was allocation of fundamental concepts, methods, and algorithms of a section or topic. After that, the certain set of tasks was selected to support the learning of the basic concepts and to focus the attention on the features and understanding of these concepts. Then we chose some demonstration examples and implemented the individual tasks by means of the system Maxima. The experimental results supported the hypothesis of the study that educational achievements of the students in the experimental group, where the students were trained by the proposed method, were higher than educational achievements in the control group, which studied by other methods of learning the same discipline. In the experimental group, there were several groups of students, about 60 persons of several groups, and they were students of pedagogical university, also as the control group. In the control group, there were also two groups of students in the pedagogical universities of the same profile. So our study supported the fact that the systems of computer mathematics may provide an opportunity to intensify the cognitive activity of students, to develop their creative abilities, to develop mathematical intuitions and skills of research, uh, and also uh, involve the interdisciplinary relations, and also this approach may contribute to better understanding of the basic concepts in the process of study, and this would positively influence the fundamentalization of informatics disciplines learning. Thank you for your attention.